Creative bangers. Today is not about recipe. Today is about DIY. We are making powdered sugar, or should I say icing sugar. To make the icing sugar, you need only three things. Number one is your blender, sugar, and cornstarch. All right. Add sugar into the blender. Add cornstarch. The list will be at the comment section. Go ahead and blend it till you have a fine powder. Do you have a good blender? It is time to make use of it. After blending, look at the smoke. Your powdered sugar or icing sugar is ready. Very simple and easy. As a creative banger member, you should always have cornstarch at home. In case of emergency, you can make your own sugar powder at home. You can sift it at this moment if your blender did not do a good job. But because my blender is a bulldozer, I don't need to sift it again. I have a fine powder. You always see me dust with sugar powder, right? I make mine by myself at home. Go ahead and use it for anything that calls for icing sugar or sugar powder. I hope you find this video helpful. We move to recipe number 2. Remember, this is a 2-in-1 video. I have shared how to make icing sugar at home. Today we are making homemade cornstarch. Hello, creative bangers. Let's do this together. To make cornstarch, you need either fresh corn or dry corn. If you are using fresh one, just go ahead and blend. If you are using dry one, you are going to soak for at least 4 or 5 hours. All right. Please do not ferment this. Don't leave it overnight, please. Everything should be done in one day. All right. That is the dry one before I soaked it. Okay. Make sure it is thoroughly clean before soaking. Put in the blender, add enough water to cover. Go ahead and blend into a very smooth puree. Transfer in a bowl. Now you will notice that it is thick at this moment. Okay, I'm going to add enough water so that I can be able to extract the starch very well. Okay, now once that is done, I am going to sift it twice. The first one, I use a sieve. The second one, I am going to use a chiffon cloth. It's either you use a chiffon cloth or a cheese cloth. Okay, after sifting for the first time, you should have this. Now to the second one, I placed the chiffon cloth on top of the sieve, then go ahead and sift it again for the second time. Okay, go ahead and squeeze life out of it, making sure that all the starch are extracted. Now you will have a smooth starch. That is after sifting for the second time. Please, very important. You need a smooth cornstarch. Now I'm going to allow this to settle for about 4 hours. 4 hours later, I'm going to slowly decant the water. You should have this. Our cornstarch is getting ready. Now, I notice that I still have enough liquid. Okay, I'm going to allow it to settle again for another 2 hours. 2 hours later, I will slowly again decant the water. All right, now here comes your cornstarch. Very simple and easy. At this point, it is ready to be used for anything that calls for cornstarch. Okay, you can store it in liquid form, but I'm going for a dry powder form. I transfer into an open tray, spread it around, and allow to dry completely. 2 days later, voila! Look what I have. It has dried completely. Very, very dry. Now I am going to blend with this my small but mighty dry mill. All right. Add the starch into the blender. Go ahead and blend into a fine powder. Creative bangers. You just made yourself a homemade cornstarch. Look at that. Very simple and easy. Do you like this DIY? Do you? If you do, type another banger at the comment section. All right, even though it doesn't have the exact texture of the store-bought ones, but this is what I called organic, no preservative. I hope you find this video helpful. Thanks for watching. Bye.